Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I'm going to catch up with everyone's comments over the last few days. I've been really busy with my lad again. Hopefully it'll be finished tomorrow so I can get back to normal by Saturday. But just please bear with me, and I do apologise. It's just important to him, so we're just trying to do something with him. And it should be finished by tomorrow, fingers crossed. So he's only 16, he's just leaving school, so we just need to do this, what we're doing with him, that's all. So in the meantime, please bear with me, and I will catch up with all your comments, I promise you. But today I'm just going to do a sandwich. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Alright, what I'm going to do pulled pork on a baguette. And I'm also going to put prawns on it, garlic and herb prawns, with some spicy chili cheese. All from Aldi, apart from the baguette, that was from Tesco. I've never done these. I usually make my own, get my own pork and put it in slow cooker and that, but I've never tried these myself. So I thought, well, I'll try them. They were £2.79, I think. I mean, they serve two. I've got 2 packs. I don't know how big they are. And they go in the oven for 35 minutes. There's a little stuff if you need to see it. And all the ingredients. I haven't got my glasses on so I ain't be able to read any of that. £2.79, I think, I can remember right, they were. And they say they're new. I've never had them. I don't know whether they are new or not. I ain't got a clue. But they look nice, so I thought I'd try them. But I'm going to do them in the air fryer, just to get them crisped up a bit more. You want to see all the ingredients there and that? There you go. Have a look at them. Do what you do. So yeah, something nice and simple, and hopefully delicious. So first things first, I'm going to get these in the oven. It's 35 minutes, obviously. Never tried them. There's the barbecue sauce. And there's the pulled pork. Not very big, are they, to be fair? I suppose once you spread it all out and that, shred it all. Well, I'm going to get them in let's get them in an oven-proof dish first, as it says. There's a dish. I'm going to use that. I'll get a load of flavours at the bottom then. Get it in. Loads of juice. Yummy. And put them both in there. Why not? I mean, they'd probably do two people on a cob, wouldn't they, I suppose? There's that other sauce. There's that other sauce. Get them in there, out of the way. And what temperature do they go on? I ain't got my glasses on. 200 degrees and 180 fan. Well, I'll get them in the oven before we do anything else. I suppose the barbecue's on after the night. Let me just double check. I better double check that, but no, I ain't got my bloody glasses on. Place in the middle shelf. 25 minutes. Discard the juices, yeah. Shred the meat, barbie on. Right, so I'll get them in first then. Right, that's been in for 25 minutes. And it's smelling quite nice, to be fair to you. Now it says discard the juice. So let's get rid of the juice. I don't know what size discard all the juice. Maybe that's just because of all the fatness, I don't know. Discard all the juice. I'm sure that's what it says. Before I carry on, I'm going to have a quick look. I have got my glasses on now. Remove from the oven, discard the cooking juices, gently shred the meat. Pour the sachet sauce over the pork. Yeah, that's what it says. So I'll shred this. Oh, it's falling apart, it's looking nice. Right, that's shredded. Get the sauces in. Oh, I am going to stick both sauces in. I'll put 2 lots in, so 1. 2. And mix it together. And back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And then when that's in the oven, we'll put them in the air fryer. Right, we'll have a look at these now. I don't know, did I show you all the ingredients on these? I don't know, I can't remember. I'll show you again. There they are, just pause it and do what you do. I think I did, didn't I? That's them anyway. £1.99 I think these, right? It says they're new, I don't know how new they are. You get a few in there, don't you, for... Smell very garlicky as well. But let's get them in the air fryer. It's about 10 minutes, I think. Right, the air fryer's been warmed up for a couple of minutes. I'm going to get them in there. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, you get 10. That's what you get. I'm going to get them in the air fryer, only about 10 minutes in the air fryer. It says 15 minutes in the oven. So, 200 degrees. Wrong one. There you go. Right, I've cut a baguette in half. The pulled pork's done. I've buttered one bottom of the baguette. I'm going to put mayonnaise on top of that one. I'm going to get some pulled pork. It smells delicious. I never tried this one, so... Pour the pulled pork on there like that. These are the prawns. They're looking quite nice. I'm going to pour a few of them on top. One at the end. Why not? 4 prawns there. Spicy chilli. These were £1.29 I think these were. I think you only get 5 slices in them, yeah, 5 slices. I'm going to stick a couple of them on top. Like so. Now that's going to go in the oven, just to melt all the cheese. Right, that's in the oven. Stick some mayonnaise on top of here. Quite a lot of it I want. I love mayonnaise. I think this is going to be gorgeous, this. I think this is going to be gorgeous. And I want some sriracha. I'm running short of this now. I have to get some more. And when it's done, I'll get it out. Right, I think it's done. Let's get it out. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that beauty. That's going to be gorgeous. Let's get it out. Crunchy at the bottom, soft in the middle. Yum, yum. Could put a bit of tomato and lettuce on the top of there, I suppose you could. I'm not going to. And the gooiness. Gorgeous sandwich. gorgeous. Hot, hot, hot. Let it cool down for 2 minutes, then we'll have a taste test. So there we go, pulled pork, breaded prawns, chili cheese, mayo, yum yum. Let's tuck in. Try a bit of pulled pork first. It's quite nice. Think of that pulled pork there, bab. Nice. Nice. But the taste is the whole sandwich. And I'm going to make a mess here, ain't I? 100%. It's going to go everywhere. All the gooiness. Yum yum. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Prawns. That's lovely. And that cheese really kicks it off as well. Gives it a nice little spice. And that pulled pork for the money, £2.79 I think. You can make it better your own, slow cooker it. But for a quick meal, that's gorgeous. I'm going to eat that now. And there's quite a lot of pulled pork left, to be honest with you, look. I'm going to stick that in a bowl. So there we go. As I say, I'm the old food guy. There'll be no video tomorrow, say, because I'm a lad. But I'll be back to normal from Saturday. And I'll catch up with all the messages. Sweating. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.